Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real conversations. I'm Sophia, your teacher and friend for today.
And I'm Leo. Hello, Sophia. Hello, everyone listening.
How are you today, Leo?
I'm great, thank you. Excited, but also a little nervous, to be honest,
Nervous. Why?
because of today's topic. I think it's one of the hardest things in English.
Oh, really? What is it?
Talking about yourself. You know, when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," my brain freezes.
Oh, yes. That's so common. Even native speakers get nervous sometimes. But don't worry, today we'll make it easy, natural, and even a little fun.
Fun. Talking about myself? Okay, that sounds new.
Trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll be ready to answer, "Tell me about yourself," with confidence. No fear, no blank mind, just your real story in simple English.
Deal. Let's do this.
All right, but first, a quick reminder for everyone listening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a like. It really helps us keep creating new lessons for you.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. You can practice together.
Exactly. Now, let's begin. So, Leo, imagine you're meeting someone new at a class or at work, and they say, "Tell me about yourself." What's the first thing you would say?
I guess I'd say, my name is Leo.
Perfect start. That's exactly how every introduction begins. Simple and friendly. Let's try to build it step by step.
Okay, so my name is Leo. Then what?
Then you can say where you're from. For example, "I'm from Brazil." Go ahead.
My name is Leo. I'm from Brazil.
Great. Very natural. Now, to make it more interesting, you can add a small detail, something about the city or place. For example, "I'm from a small city near Sao Paulo. It's a quiet place."
Oh, I like that. It makes the conversation more alive. So, I'm from a big city, full of traffic and people, but I love it.
Perfect, Leo. That's how you make your English sound real, by adding small emotions.
You know, Sophia, when I speak like this, I start to relax. It's not about being perfect, right?
Exactly. It's about connection, not perfection.
That's a great line. Connection, not perfection. I'll remember that.
Please do. All right, what's next after your name and country?
Maybe my job?
Yes, you can say, "I'm a student," or "I'm an engineer," or "I work as a teacher." For example, "I'm an English teacher."
So, my name is Leo. I'm from Brazil. I'm a designer.
Nice. Now add one more sentence. Why you like your job.
I love creating things that make people smile.
Beautiful. That's exactly what people remember. Emotion. When you show a little passion, your English becomes more human.
You know, this is funny. I always thought English was only grammar and vocabulary, but now I see its personality too.
Yes, English is a bridge between hearts, not only words.
Wow, deep.
Maybe a little, but it's true.
Okay, teacher, what's next?
Next, you can talk about your family, but just a little. Something simple like, "I have one brother," or "I live with my parents." Want to try?
Sure. I have one sister. She's younger than me. She's studying medicine.
Very nice. That's clear, short, and natural. You can even add an emotion again. "She's studying medicine, and I'm really proud of her."
I'm really proud of her. I like that. It feels real.
Exactly. And that's what we want. Real English.
So, name, country, job, family. What else can I add?
You can talk about hobbies, what you like to do in your free time. It's one of the easiest parts.
Okay. I like playing guitar and watching movies.
Good. Now let's make it sound more fluent. You can say, in my free time, I like playing guitar and watching movies.
In my free time, I like playing guitar and watching movies. Nice. Sounds more complete.
Exactly. And to make it more interesting, you can add why. Because it helps me relax, or because I love music.
In my free time, I like playing guitar and watching movies because it helps me relax after a long day.
Perfect, Leo. That's a full, beautiful sentence.
Wow, I'm feeling confident now.
I told you, it's all about small steps. When you combine simple ideas, they become something powerful.
You're right, and it's kind of fun.
That's the spirit.
Sophia, can I ask something? What if I make mistakes when I'm talking? Should I stop and correct myself?
Good question. The answer is no. Don't stop. Keep going. People don't care about perfect grammar. They care about connection. If you stop every time you think you made a mistake, the conversation dies.
So it's okay to make mistakes?
Absolutely. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
That's comforting. Sometimes I feel embarrassed when I say something wrong.
I understand, but you know what? Even teachers make mistakes. Even I do. The difference is we smile, we keep going, and we learn.
You make it sound so simple.
Because it is. English is like a song. If you stop every time you miss a note, you never finish the music.
That's beautiful, Sophia. I like that comparison.
Thank you. Now, let's continue your mini story. You already said your name, where you're from, your job, your family, your hobbies. Now let's add one more part, something about your personality.
My personality? Oh, that's a hard one.
Not really. Just choose one or two adjectives. For example, I'm a positive person, or I'm friendly, or I'm a little shy, but I love meeting new people.
Okay. I'm a curious person. I love learning new things.
That's great, and it sounds authentic. When you say it with emotion, it's even better.
You know, I think that's the secret, right? Say things with emotion.
Exactly. Emotion makes people listen.
I feel like we're not only learning English here, we're learning confidence too.
Maybe that's true. Language and confidence are best friends.
So, Sophia, if I combine everything we said, it becomes like a short speech, right?
Yes, let's try it. Say you're full. Tell me about yourself.
All right, here I go. My name is Leo. I'm from Brazil, and I work as a designer. I love creating things that make people smile. I have one sister. She's studying medicine, and I'm really proud of her. In my free time, I like playing guitar and watching movies because it helps me relax. I'm a curious person, and I love learning new things.
Wow, Leo, that was amazing. So natural, so confident.
Really? I was shaking a little.
That's normal. But you see, it's not about perfection. It's about presence.
Presence. I like that word.
Yes, presence. When you speak with honesty and simplicity, people feel it.
That's so true.
Now, one more thing. The secret final touch. At the end of your answer, you can turn the question back to the other person.
What do you mean?
For example, after finishing your introduction, say something like, "And what about you?" Or, "Tell me about yourself, too."
Oh, that's smart. It keeps the conversation going.
Exactly. It shows interest and confidence. That's how friendships and opportunities start.
Wow. From just one question, tell me about yourself.
Yes, that one question can open doors in work, in travel, even in life.
I never thought about it that way.
Now you know. And so do our listeners. So everyone listening, don't be afraid of this question anymore. It's not a test. It's an invitation to share who you are.
Beautifully said, Sophia.
Thank you, Leo. And thank you all for listening today. Before we finish, we want to ask you something.
Yes, go to the comments and tell us about yourself. Just one or two sentences in English. For example, my name is Anna. I'm from Mexico. I love music.
Exactly. Practice makes progress.
And if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps us grow this beautiful community.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. Maybe you can both practice together.
That would be amazing.
All right, that's all for today. Remember, speak from your heart, and your English will follow.
That's perfect, teacher.
Thank you, Leo. And thank you, everyone. Stay safe, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.
Goodbye for now.